Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Vanceburg local and long-distance movers near me. There are plenty of options you can enjoy with a long-distance moving company like us, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you choose to work with us for your long-distance move, you get the help you truly need. We know how to make your relocation so much easier. Our team of movers will ensure your things stay protected no matter how far you need to move. There are many good reasons to hire a Kentucky moving company for your local move. The time-saving benefits alone make it worth the cost. Plus, you won't have to worry about any type of injury or damaging any of your items. 3 Movers is the professional moving company you need for your local move. We know how to make moving easier no matter how far you're going. Our streamlined process maximizes all the benefits to give you more value. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Vanceburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.